Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain sequence and series concept. Okay, today we discuss about GP as well as GM. GP means geometric progression, GM is geometric mean. What is the geometric progression? A sequence either finite or infinite of non-zero numbers in which every term except the first one bears a constant ratio with its preceding term. Is called GP. What is a GP? A sequence either finite or infinite of non-zero numbers in which every term except the first one bears a constant ratio. Okay, this constant ratio is called common difference, common ratio. So with its preceding term is called GP. The constant ratio is called the common ratio of GP. Is denoted by small r. Okay. So let us take the first term. The first term is A. And common ratio R, then Tn is equal to nth term A into R power n minus 1. A into R power n minus 1. A into R power n minus 1. Next, let the nth term from the end in GP, from end of the GP with the last term L and common difference, common ratio R, then Tn is equal L by R to the power n minus 1. What is the formula? L by R to the power n minus 1. Okay, this is the nth term formula. Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1. So L by R power n minus 1 also nth term, but where nth term from end of the GP with the last term L, the common ratio R is this formula. Okay, now I am going to explain sum of n terms. Okay, the three terms in GP can be taken as A by R, A, AR. Four terms, the four terms in GP can be taken as A by R cube, A by R, AR, AR cube. Okay. The five terms can be taken as the five terms in GP can be taken as A by R square, A by R, A, AR, AR square. Okay. If A, B, C are in GP, then B is called geometric mean, GM. Geometric mean between A and C. Between A and C. Between A and C. Okay. If A, B, C are in GP, then common ratio equal B by A is equal to C by B. So T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2. It will going to be B by A. B by A is equal to C by B. So let us do cross product. B square is equal to AC. Therefore, B is equal to root AC. Okay. B is equal to root AC. If three terms of GP can be taken as A by R, A by R, A, AR. If four terms of GP can be taken as A by R cube, A by R, AR cube. In this common ratio R square, in this common ratio is R. So five terms in GP can be taken as A by R square, A by R, AR square. In this common ratio is equal to R. If A, B, C are in GP, then the formula most important, B square is equal to AC. It will going to be B is equal to root AC. Okay, now I am going to explain sum of n terms. If A is the first term, R is the common ratio of GP, then AR square, AR cube, and so on, AR power n minus 1 are in GP. Okay. Now explain sum of n terms of GP. The sum of n terms of GP the sum of first n terms, the sum of first n terms of GP first n terms of GP with first term is A, first term A, and common ratio R. Then, so Sn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1, where modulus are greater than 1. So Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R, where modulus are less than 1. Where modulus are less than 1. If R is equal to 1, it will be Sn is equal to A plus A plus A plus up to n times. It will going to be Na. If modulus are greater than 1, Sn formula is A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. If modulus are less than 1, we have Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. If R is equal to 1, the sum of n terms of Gp is Na. Okay. So now I am going to explain the sum of an infinite Gp. Okay. So in Gp, one formula is there. If L is the last term of Gp, then Sn is equal to Lr minus A by R minus 1 if R not equal to 1. What is the formula? We have L is the last term of Gp, then formula Sn is equal to Lr minus A by R minus 1, where R is common ratio. Okay, now I am going to explain infinite Gp. Infinite Gp. The sum of an infinite Gp with the first term A and common ratio R, if the sum of an infinite Gp with common ratio with first term is A, with first term is A, so is first term A and common ratio R, this then S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R if modulus are less than 1. Okay. So S infinity is equal to does not exist if modulus are greater than or equal to 1. So most important these two formulae. So S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R, where modulus are less than 1. If modulus are greater than or equal to 1, S infinity sum of infinite Gp does not exist. Okay, thank you for watching. Remaining concepts I will explain on coming class.